Standard enthalpy of formation. Enthalpy means heat. Definition for standard enthalpy of formation is the amount of heat is released or absorbed when 1 mole of substance is obtained from its constituent elements is called as standard enthalpy of formation. The elements should be in their standard states. What is standard state? The elements which are present in purest form or free natural state is called as standard state. Note that enthalpy of formation of some compounds in standard state is assumed to be 0. Allotropes of carbon is diamond and graphite. Graphite is considered as standard state of carbon because carbon in graphite state is thermodynamically stable. So delta H naught value of carbon in graphite state is equal to 0, but diamond delta H naught value is not equal to 0. Allotropes of phosphorus is white, black and red phosphorus. Among these, white phosphorus, that is P4, is thermodynamically stable. So all allotropes are not equal to 0, but one particular allotrope is equal to 0. Next, oxygen is present as O2 in gaseous state, hydrogen is present as H2 in gaseous state, chlorine is present as Cl2 in gaseous state, fluorine is present as F2 in gaseous state, nitrogen is present as N2 in gaseous state, bromine is present as Br2 in liquid state, iodine is present as I2 in solid state. All these naturally occurring elements enthalpy is 0 at standard conditions only. What are standard conditions? 25 degrees Celsius temperature, 1 bar pressure and 1 mole concentration is the standard condition. Standard enthalpy of formation is represented by delta HF naught. Delta H means change in enthalpy because we cannot find absolute enthalpy. So we have to find change in enthalpy. F means enthalpy of formation. Naught means at standard conditions. To do the reaction of 1 mole of water, write this 1 mole of water in product side. What are the elements that water is having? Hydrogen and oxygen. Write this hydrogen and oxygen in reactant side. Now you have to write the standard state of these elements. What are the standard state of hydrogen? Standard state of hydrogen is H2 in gaseous state. Standard state of oxygen is O2 in gaseous state. So you have to write that only. Now we have to balance according to 1 mole of water. To do the reaction of 1 mole of ammonia, write this 1 mole of ammonia in product side. What are the elements that ammonia is having? Nitrogen and hydrogen. Write this nitrogen and hydrogen in reactant side. Now you can write the standard state of nitrogen and hydrogen. What is the standard state of nitrogen? N2 in gaseous state. Next, standard state of hydrogen is H2 in gaseous state. Write that standard state only. Now you can balance these reaction according to 1 mole of ammonia. Enthalpy of reaction, that is standard enthalpy of formation, is equal to enthalpy of product minus enthalpy of reactant. Enthalpy of formation is equal to enthalpy of product minus enthalpy of reactant is 0. So delta HF naught is equal to HP. So enthalpy of formation is equal to enthalpy of compound.